We keep hearing about asymptomatic cases of COVID-19. Those are the people with the virus who don't show any symptoms.
And that was a big reason why the CDC recommended wearing face masks in public. So how many asymptomatic cases are out there and how could they spread it? Good question. A U of M doctor shared the latest research with Heather Brown.
We've heard them called
silent spreaders.
Ghost cases.
NBA star Donovan Mitchell was one in mid-March.
That's the scariest part about this virus is that, you may seem fine, be fine.
The estimates of that group are all over the place.
Between 25 and 50%.
20% of people, or maybe more.
Trust me, that is an estimate.
This study of 24 people in China says 29%. Another of 500 Japanese citizens reports 30%. And remember all those people stuck on the Diamond Princess cruise?
They decided to disembark us.
They were all tested. 18% of those positive cases never showed symptoms. That's a big change from the thinking in mid-February when the World Health Organization reported those asymptomatic cases appear to be relatively rare.
What does the latest research tell us?
Well, I think we're learning more now.
Dr. Susan Klein is a professor of infectious diseases at the U of M Medical School.
They could potentially spread it through their respiratory secretions.
She says they wouldn't even have to cough.
There is some evidence now that more routine activities like singing, speaking, just sitting, close to someone could also transmit the virus.
Data also suggests people who do ultimately develop symptoms can spread the coronavirus 1 to 3 days before.
Any idea why one infected person would show symptoms and another one wouldn't?
No, that's a good question, and I don't think we know the answer. I think it's really dependent on a couple different factors. How heavy an exposure the person had, also how well their immune system is able to contain the infection.
A lot of this is hard to know right now.
You know when we'll get the scientific data? When we get those antibody tests out there and we really know what the penetrance is.
I think we're learning more all the time.
Every day?
Heather Brown.
Yeah.
WCCO 4 News.
If you have a good question for Heather, record a quick video and send it to her through WCCO.com/links.